All right, guys, inside the garage, outside ambient air temperature is 105. Let's see what we're doing in here. So, Firebird, 108. Up on the ceiling, 114. How about the door? Let's see what the door hits at. 111, 112. Holy crapola. Let's see, how about right there? 114 it looks like. Holy crap. Let's go see what the temperature is on the outside of the door. All right, got the gun outside here. Up on that door, 115. And again, we are now in the shade. As you can see, the sun has kind of gone behind that cloud, so it's not direct sun. How about over here? This is our side garage. 123. Holy mackerel. 123, look at that. 126. How about right there? 128, 129, 130, 135. Holy crap. All right, we gotta find a way to cool this place down. All right, guys, we're back in the garage. I got the door closed so I can kind of measure stuff out. Now, the side panels in this section and that section are one size, and then the two outer sections are a little bit longer. So make sure to take your time, measure everything before you order. Then I found these on Amazon. Had to order 2 of them in order to have enough material to cover everything. But it is simply about 1/8 of an inch, silver on one side, white on the other, and of course you can trim this up. Now here's the cool part. Remember when I made that ice chest cooler for my daughter's car that with no AC? That roll of tape, I guess it's HVAC tape, this stuff, right? So I had a whole roll left over of this. Now you could probably use some spray adhesive or you could use some double sticky tape. But this stuff I noticed after a year still held on tight to that cooler we made last year. If you haven't seen that video, there's a link somewhere that you can watch that video. Pretty cool. It's great for camping too, or for a car with no AC, or for a small room perhaps. But we're going to use this stuff here. Now let me get you in close so you can kind of see the first one I've done and how it all works out. Come on. So what I did was I measured my width by my height and I cut a piece out. You can see it kind of right here. Then I took that HVAC tape and I just simply put half of it on the white sheet, half of it down on the middle of the door. Now, before you do that, I recommend take some rubbing alcohol, spray it down there and wipe it off so that way the part that you're going to stick this to on top as well sticks nice and good. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and get started on cutting the rest of these out. We'll see what we can get to. Okay, so this here one here has the latch. So it's a little bit different. So we're going to go ahead and just put this in. We're going to make a cutout. Let's see what it's at here. Okay, so I'm just going to notch it a little bit right there. Cut that out. Okay, now we've notched that so it'll fit into there. I'm going to go ahead and clean these tracks real quick. Rubbing alcohol. Get this out of the way here. clean this up. Then just like that. Whew. Dirty. Okay, I'm probably going to spray this bottom one more time because it hasn't been cleaned in the 15 years or so. All right. Next, take our notch end, come over here, stick it in. There we go. Now, let's get our tape. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna cut 4 little, probably 8-inch strips and get this up in here. There's 1, 2. Okay, let's get these 2 in place. So if you're familiar with this, this has a silver side and a paper side. That paper side just peels off to reveal stickiness. So I think I'll start up here. I'm gonna get this into place. And essentially half goes onto here, half will go up on top. So get it up in there and push it down. Okay, let's do the other side. I think the hardest part of this job is getting the paper backing off these strips. And again, kind of right in half and just come up here and set it into place. Okay, let's get 2 more strips and we'll get it down on the bottom. And I think we'll also put some middle ones too. Okay, again, kind of in half. Hold that down, kind of pull it tight. Get half up on the insulation, and the other half goes down on the garage door itself. I messed that up. There we go. We'll do this other side, kind of pull it down. Fold it in half again. Okay, let's do 2 more and we'll do the middle. There we go. Okay, good. So now you just continue doing the rest of these. All right, now on this side here, remember, these ones are longer, but the roll of material that you get is shorter. So I'm about 3 inches short from going that way. So I think if we just kind of center them up amongst these braces here, and then because we have that little bit of gap on both sides, we'll stick our tape, 2 pieces of tape in here like that instead of on top. Give that a shot. So let's clean off a little bit of the stuff and we'll get this on. Okay, well, 2 more panels to go. Let's do this. All right, we're done. All right, so as you can see, everything is up. We got the 67 Firebird back in the garage today. So let's just see what a difference that makes. So how much is the car? 112, 111, up on the wall over there, 118, on the door itself, 111. Holy crap, did it do anything for us? Let's check the temp outside real quick. Now remember, when we did our first test, it was 105 here in Phoenix. Now let's see what it is today. It's 111. So with a high of 113, so it's not working. It's not working. The stuff does not work. It's too hot. Well, guys, we tried. I put up the stuff. We tried taking care of the heating problem here in the garage in Phoenix, Arizona. It's 5-6 degrees warmer than it was a few days ago when we installed the insulation. And as you can tell, it is still blazing hot inside. I have to say it's a fail. I don't know. Did I do something wrong? Do you have a suggestion on what we can do better to keep our garages cooler in the summer? Leave me a comment down below. Tell me a suggestion that you've done in your garage and it's worked out. I would like to know to help make garage time in Phoenix, Arizona in the summertime better than what it is. So with that, I'm going to shut this down and go inside and have a cold one and relax and try to get some AC and cool off. So until next Friday, thanks for watching, and I'll see you for another Firebird Friday video next Friday. Have a good one.